Today I show you some new products from IKEA that I noticed they have in IKEA Romania. This is the new IKEA in Paladi in Bucharest, and there is a new new line, IKEA PS. I hope I say it right, PS. And it's interesting, the look of this furniture and the objects all around. They have some kind of this 60s or 50s even. They look like this futuristic design. I don't know how they're called, but I would call this retro futuristic in 2026 in IKEA. So yeah, those are some strange masks, or what's that? But some of even these mirrors, you see the mirrors, they have these odd shapes, like they are coming out of a sci-fi movie from the 50s where the cars are flying and they look like Cadillacs or something like this with the rounded furniture. It reminds me of the Space Odyssey 2000, where they had the scenes where they were sitting. So it's kind of a interesting design. I like the colors of these things. They are very, very interesting, and the shapes, I don't know how comfortable these things would be. I'm not sure they look very comfortable, especially maybe if you put a cushion, something. Yeah, that one, it almost looks like toys. Some of them, they look like toys. To me, for some of these things, it looks like they were prioritizing the looks, the aspect of it, for the comfort. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. But yeah, this one is pretty nice. It's like the rocking toy like this. They have some interesting. The chairs, they look also very futuristic, but this looks interesting. It looks comfortable. That looks nice and soft. And a round table with a few lamps that have ears. Yeah, so these are all new products. So they are probably this kind of a lamp or lamp clock or something. Looks like a pipe, a steam, like a futuristic steam technology from I don't know what years, or 1920s something. And this is all USB powered, probably also battery powered for some of them. I don't know if I would want to have all these things like that, but if you're renovating, you might want to get like this collection, because they look interesting, and they have something. It reminds me of how this like 50s future would look like. Living in the future. This is how it looks like in 2026. But some of these things are nice. I like the chairs. Thanks for watching.